What's up, guys? This is Miner Huck with BitcoinZ. Today I'm going to show you an instructional video on how to use our graphic paper wallet. Now, whether you've printed out page 2 or page 3 or done it dual side, you're going to want to cut out the white area around the gray. After that, you're going to want to fold the private side, which is your private key and private key QR code. You're going to want to fold that in half until it's flush with this edge. Fold the remainder over until it's flush with this edge again and straight. And this is your public address and your public address QR code. You're going to want to take that and fold the in half to be flush with this edge. It will make a perfect square, and there you have your graphic paper wallet. To recap, this is the back of your wallet. This is your private side and your public side. You're going to fold this in half until it's flush, fold the remainder over until it's flush again, then fold your public information over the private until it matches this edge, make your crease, and it will be a perfect square for you. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, get a hold of us on our social media. Those links are in the description. Have a great day.